I'm gonna get real honest with you here. I knew nothing about this marriage stuff coming into it. I'm here to help you learn from my mistakes. Somewhere in my teens, I learned how to play the basics of guitar. And I worked really, really hard on this one song, Love Is All Around You. Can you hear it? Anyway, when I thought I didn't suck anymore, I asked my husband to come and listen to it. I wanted to play it for him. I'd never had an audience, and I thought, why not him, right? So anyway, I did my absolute best. Kind of got a little bit choked up at the end. But what happened after that shocked me. He stood up, walked out of the room without saying a word. If you've ever put yourself out there, you know how scary it is. You know that sting. Was I just rejected? I opened my heart, and did he just wall up? We argued, but we didn't get anywhere. I want to tell you that never happened again, but I'd be lying. It happened a few more times until one day he was able to put his feelings to words. When you give me beautiful things, I wonder if I can ever do the same for you. What if I can't? What if I'm not enough? And I'll be honest, that flipped everything for me because I realized we weren't actually fighting each other. We were fighting fear, self-doubt, shame, our insecurities, all of it. Sometimes we mentally check out because we don't know what's happening inside of us. We may not understand it. Maybe we're feeling too many things. Or we're afraid to say something wrong. That's what relationship survival mode is like. It's not always yelling or slamming doors. Sometimes it's silence, numbness, one person pulling away and the other begging for scraps of connection. And you start asking yourself, is it me? What's wrong with me? Am I too much? Maybe I'm not enough. You start walking on eggshells, just trying to avoid the cold shoulder or another night of pretending everything's fine. Here's what I wish I knew sooner. When you don't feel safe, we armor up or we build walls. We check out and then we start fighting in codes. We're not fighting over dishes or date night. We're arguing about whether or not we matter. Your brain's just doing its job. It's protecting you. But that armor that protects you, it also blocks the connection we crave the most. Wow, this is good. So now what? The first step isn't to communicate better. It's to realize when you are in relationship survival mode. When you're numb, when you're panicking, snapping, leaving a room, or drawing the worst conclusions possible. That's the moment to pause and not perform. So next time you feel this fog rolling in, you ask yourself, what's really scaring me right now? That question will teach you way more than any couple's workbook. Just breathe with it. If this hits home, drop a comment below and tell me what's that argument you seem to be fighting over and over again. I'll be doing more on what to do when your partner shuts down on you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and you will enjoy this next one.